Om Sairam friends. Today I want to tell a story about how in any organization people play politics, people play their own way of growing in the ladder, but they don't really realize that they're actually ruining others' life by doing that. They're doing a bad karma by doing that. Uh, Almost 1.5 months back, I was told in my organization to leave from the company I'm currently working. Then I was really depressed, and I was thinking, what really is happening to me is unacceptable because I don't have any other means to earn my living. But then the way they were treating me was also really bad. Just because some other lady joined, they wanted to give my responsibilities to her. So it was really painful for me to accept this politics happening in an organization. But then I kept believing that Baba is there for us and Baba will do good to us. And somehow I'm just managing in the same organization as of now. But I try to see what I can do to earn my living if I lost this kind of jobs eventually. So these are the times when I keep remembering Baba's dream, which Baba blessed me with back in 2015-16. He said, I just heard one word in the dream, which was Baba said, your life will be good if you do PhD. And until now, I don't have any means to do it. So which is why I really get scared whenever I face a situation which is really bad at work, whenever I face a, an issue which will stop my income. I feel really scared that what if I don't do PhD, which means, as Baba said, will my life be good only if I do PhD? And in that case, how I am going to start doing it? And so these kind of insecurities happens. So why I'm making this video, especially this message is for many hundreds of thousands of Sai devotees who are facing problems in their career, in their workplace because of silly politics. Um, some women have told me they were not able to cope up with the manager in the current organization that they are working, or they are not able to cope up with the way they treat are being treated. So uh, they have left the job. Uh, of course, I understand your situation, but at the same time, try to see if you can hold on to the job as much as you can. It's easier said than done, but um, I feel very bad to see uh, Sai devotees telling me that I left a job some time back, and after that I was not at all able to get a job. Even I take emotional stand sometimes, thinking about the way I'm getting treated. I used to think, why not leave this job rather than, pleading these people or, whatever, uh, losing my own self-respect, and I'm still continuing to work in the same organization. So I feel sometimes it's better to leave the job, but no, you should face it. Whatever fear you have, whatever pain you have, whatever way you are being ill-treated, try to see if you can face it to the maximum, as long as it is not going to lead you to a very bad situation. Continue in the job until you get a better job, or try to see if you can improvise the situation in the same job. So the message is very simple. Sometimes you will be tempted to take a quick decision uh, or very drastic decision when it comes to your career or your business. But please hold on, have patience. Don't run away uh, from the way from this kind of politics. Quitting one company and joining another company sometimes will be beneficial, but please have enough patience. Do analysis of the opportunities available. Think deeply. What if you are not going to get the right opportunity because you will be having other financial commitments in your life? So I wish to end this with one beautiful Leela of Baba. which is like when I got this job, I was desperate without a job for around 40 days, and I went to lots of temples of goddess, temples here in Coimbatore, some temples of Lord Lakshmi Narasimha. There's a temple nearby Coimbatore, some 40 kilometers from here in Kerala called Meen Kulatti Bhagavati Amman temple where I went. Uh, but eventually Baba was there with me, and once I had a dream as if I see a small statue of Lord Murugan, as if it's the Murugan, the huge statue you have seen in Malaysia, that kind of Murugan. It's in a shelf, it's in a almera, and then I hear the words male brand awareness. I hear the words male brand awareness. Which is when I applied to, I came across the same day, came across an organization where I applied for a job and got a job. And fortunately, as the dream said, though they recruited me for some other position, they put me in corporate branding. And it actually tallies with the message Baba gave me, which is like, brand awareness. And that is the reason I don't wanted to leave this job, because Baba blessed me with a dream to give me this job. But anyway, never be attached to any job, and never be attached to any co-workers or your friends for that matter. Be open to other good opportunities in your life. So as of now, I feel like I have to do something to earn my living some other way other than this kind of full-time job. So I'm just worshipping, praying Baba to show me a way. This video is not an experience of a Sai devotee. This video is a warning message I wanted to give to not just Sai devotees, but many people who are going through lots of frustration and pain in their life because of the problems in their office, in their work environment. There are bad people, as I said earlier, there are bad people everywhere. And sometimes in the whole organization, you will not have anyone to support you. But believe that Sai is going to do the right thing for you. Have patience. When you're getting ill-treated, just laugh at these people inside your mind and carry on with your work. Eventually, if it is right for you, right according to quit, you go ahead and quit. But try your maximum to have patience and use that opportunity to analyze people, um, and understand what you should be doing when you grow ahead in your life. Try to do as much good as possible to everyone around you, whether it's in work environment or any other place. So I will really love it. I hope you have an amazing and peaceful career ahead in your life. If you are going through frustration in your career and problems in your office, many people ask me what one should do. I say that, have immense patience, one. Number two, do chanting Namsmar in your mind, Om Sai Ram, Om Sai Ram, Om Sai Ram, or any chantings. And read any inspirational book or motivational book for that matter, or any other books for that matter, so that just to devote your mind. And you can also learn some new courses if you want to upgrade yourself without spending much. And the most important thing, do not feel that do not assume that your life is going to be like this only forever. Eventually things are going to change. Maybe if not in 6 months or 1 year, maybe after 2 years, things are eventually going to change. I will tell you an example of a man I used to meet here in Nagasai Mandir in Coimbatore. He works as a operation theater assistant. Someone, he's not educated. Uh, when doctors do the surgery, he'll be near them, and when they say, okay, take this medicine, take that medicine, so they are supposed to assist them, take these scissors. But there are some technical terms which they are supposed to know. By experience, they learn that. And his salary is just 15,000 Indian rupees, which should be around $200 or something. And he's from some other place, and he lives in Coimbatore in a small room. And once he told me he attended interview in some other hospital, and whatever the questions that the chief doctor asked, he was able to say that. Um, and they were really impressed, and they were really impressed, and they immediately gave him the job offer. But somehow, it's all connected, this this any community for that matter. So this, from where he's working, these doctors came to know that he has attended interview somewhere else, and they questioned him, and they said, and they requested him to stay back in the same hospital, and he also has agreed. Surprisingly, they did not increase his salary or whatever, but they just requested him to stay back in the same hospital, and he has agreed to do that. I always take the examples of these ordinary people who are not educated or who are less educated, and take some inspiration from them. Imagine a man who he used to say that his son is studying in school. Maybe now he's in class 12th grade or something. But how these people with a small salary, they are able to manage, and even when they are trying to change to a better, change their job and try to earn better, uh, they are not getting the right opportunity, or even if they get, they are not able to use those opportunities, but they are leading their life. uh, Try to see people below you than who are really, facing these kind of struggles, than seeing people who are above you. So don't compare yourself with anyone else. Be at peace, accept the job that you have. So I will always do good to you and your family. Om Sai Ram, Om Sai Ram, Om Sai Ram.